TeeElle, baby, and I'm back with another one. Hit that subscribe button. Come on and join the fun.
Cause I'm crazy and I'm sexy and I'm cool. Little rub around the edges, but I keep it smooth. I'm always left the center and that's right where I belong. I'm the random man and don't you hear it major song that I like that.
Today, guys, as you can see by the title and the thumbnail, I'm making a bomb burger. Go ahead and give this video a huge thumbs up. Do not forget to click that subscribe button. Comment down below, share this with your friends, and let's get started.
Yeah.
Work, 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 work. To me, I feel work, 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 work. See me do me dirt, 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 dirt. Tell me about that work, 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 work. When you walk a line, 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 line. In the cafe, man, da, 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 da. Drive me a dessert. Nothing to be lurking.
Yeah.
You make a like, now you don't like it. You know I dealt with you the nicest. Nobody touched me in the righteous. Nobody text me in a crisis. I believe that all of your dreams are durations. You took my heart, all my keys, and my patience. You took my heart, I must leave a decoration. You mistaken my love, I brought for you for foundation. All that I wanted from you was to give me something that I never had, something that you never seen, something that you never been. But I wake up and nothing's wrong. Just get ready for work, 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 work. To me, I be work, 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 work. You see me do me dirt, 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 dirt. Tell me about that work, 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 work. Na, 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 na. When you walk out, na, 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 na. Before the table turn, 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 turn. Beg you something, please. Baby, don't you leave. Don't leave me stuck here in the streets. If I get another chance to, I will never, no, never neglect you. I mean, who am I to hold your best against you? I just hope that it gets to you. I hope that you see this through. I hope that you see this true. What can I say? Please recognize I'm trying, baby. I feel why. It's in me, I feel why. You see me do my da. Tell me about that why. When you walk out, la. When the cat from my touch.
Yeah, okay. You need to get done. That'll work, come over. Yeah. We just need to slow the motion. Don't get out of the way to no one. Long distance, I need you. When I see potential, I just gotta see it through. If you had a twin, I would still choose you. I don't wanna rush into it if it's too soon, but I know you need to get done. If you come on, yeah. Sorry if I'm way less friendly. I got niggas tryna end me. Oh, yeah. I spilled all my emotions tonight. I'm sorry. Rolling. How many more shots until you're rolling? We just need a face to face. You can pick the time and the place. You will spend some time away. Now you need to forward and give me all the work.
It's in me, I feel work. You see me do my da. Tell me about that work. When you walk out, la. When the cat from my touch.
Yeah.
It's not good enough for me since I've been with you. Ooh.
I'm fresh out boozy. If they want the drama, got the ooze. Ship the whole crew to the cruise ship. Doing shit you don't even see in movies. Ride with me, boss. I got a hard hand for her ass off. She want the last name with the ring on it. Cause I pulled out $1 million cash, told her blank on it.
Tell me what you see in me.
And here is my finished bacon, egg, cheeseburger with pickles, tomatoes, onions, lettuce, mayonnaise, ketchup, mustard, and remember I have my my sauteed onions down there, fresh cut french fries with a side of ketchup. Here is my finished meal. If you can't send heat out the kitchen, but I'm about to fire on this, let's put the top on. I want to thank y'all so much for watching this video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give this video a huge thumbs up, comment down below, and I will see you guys in the next video. I am out.
Nobody else made this move. Nobody else had a clue what I could do. Cause I'm crazy and I'm sexy and I'm cool. Then I run around the edges, but I keep it smooth.